Hi. Oh, she's got the hiccups. About to go home from the hospital. But you got hiccups, and we have to put you in your dress. Looking good. Long baby.